Hello, this is a very short tutorial on how to print with Princh from your laptop. The first thing you need to do is go to print.princh.com and you select the printer that you want to use. In this case, I have color copies, so I'm going to select the Brother computer in the children's area. It's looking it up. It's confirming that it's the Brother lower level. And now all I need to do is upload the files that I want to print. My first one, I will open it and it's going to upload. As soon as it does, I have these options. I can choose black and white, or I can choose color. I'm choosing color. I'm going to just keep one copy. And then if I click on this little wrench, I have these options. Again, I can change the color, the number of copies, the print range. I can print on both sides, and the paper format, letter versus legal, etc. I can preview my job. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted to print, so I will close it and I will accept it. Now, I have another print job that I'd like to add to that, so I'm going to click on it and upload it. And I will end up going through the same process. I'm going to select color. I'm going to keep it at one copy, and I don't need to change any of this. I am going to preview it just to make sure. And yes, that's exactly what I wanted to print. So I accept it. And now that's all I need to print. I accept the terms and conditions. I click on continue. Currently, the only method of payment that we have is pay at the desk. Eventually, we will be able to offer credit cards, debit cards, or PayPal. But right now, I'm just going to click on pay at the desk. And I'm going to type in my full name. And I'm going to order the print. So I next need to go to the help desk, either if I'm in the library or coming from home, and I pay for the job. Don't forget to write down this code. You'll need it to unlock the print job, 2813. So I'll go to the Brother printer in the youth area and go to the Princh tablet, punch in the code, and my print job will appear. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial on how to use Princh with your laptop.